Mama wakwaba wafreme ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Tells them on their face.
Yo, enti and someone your papa Julius Malema ekanya oti bi the MPP aban eti bi the ma aban ya betwamuko say corruption is the main reason why intia say be some of us and sometimes intumi ntuatua your debt and all of that. Now all kano na yenuanom NDC for ebo mo nsem. Intia one papa ne say then let me go in and speak the truth. And also regarding la obi antie de ose mahama aye muntie no
Current president, you run because you are a former president. Will still pay you pensions and give you protection.
maybe
Run because you are a former president. Will still pay you pensions and give you protection and take care of you as long as you respect those who came after you. You have to.
yo inti ya papa ka sa wie no no se da bi etem wasem bi a ekoso a papa bi a ye friend JDM wo sori a wo didie wo sori a no abetra ho mema mu nkukobu nketenkete aban we ade na oma mu drone pe na wama mu aban we train no de abra mu train de ubedi me na me di nkukobu ni mpra ko nketenkete ba enti me na mu ntoma me aban we wa bon aban we yo ye sei aban we ni mu hwe aban we ni mu hwe yo Julius Malema said, Mr. Mahama Kamanutum, we are former president here. You must remain a former president. Adentia, we pay you. Mami fan the voice ninge. We pay you. We clothe you. We give you food. We give you a cloth. We give you car. We give you protection. We give you everything you need. JDM, sorry, I pay my own electricity bill. I pay my say the records don't support it. There be papa no nim say mama ni fiaka. Onim say etue bi anko besi samu kakra. O say nyanse nim da. Say obi a wedi president da ya pam no. Wo be say akofa na na say nipa ko no be gina say onu mo kuta better alternative. Adentia ya de na ba pai na nka ya manant na ho. Yay. Mr. Julius Malema said, we are former president there. Remain a former president. Na yamfa wadwene no. Wudi bedi ade ni bi. Emfa mwa new generation na abano. New leadership na abano. Na the NTS that's a work atakure upon this of you. We shelter you. We give you car. We give you protection. We give you bibia. We hear day. Wonye beifua. San wopatre. Papa ni says anya beya Bahama. Woje dia in Ghana memu omubio. What this man indirectly is saying, say Ghanaians will be very, very stupid to allow Mahama come tell us, say he has a better opportunity. Ewo bra or no. He has been given every opportunity in the political space of Ghana. Osimo makwai. Mutie no bomb no more ba.
Because you are a former president, will still pay you pensions and give you protection and take care of you as long as you respect those who came after you. You have to ensure.
As long as you respect those who came after you. You know why you have to respect those who came after you? Because you have been in that position before, and we had to give you the respect that you needed. You have been in that position before, and we have to give you the chance to do the things that you wanted to do. Malema, let's go. You made my day.
That democracy matures in such a manner in Africa, where the previous president does not make it his business to fight the current president.
Or say you bet to me, my democracy now mature. Sa na e pa kire. O ka mature, na kire say be nyinia. Sebe my democracy na engineer. And yeah, no say former president to the was someone say the bia Akufo-Addo ye say yo na wutua Kevin Taylor ka na ye dia Akufo-Addo atem na ya account say away government na ya attack government as a former president. It is not your business to let people go and pull cutlass say ye ni na ya buru pepe ye be twa ye ho ban mahama. As a former president, your role is not to fight. Everything bia Akufo-Addo ye bia mahama ka ho asem. Dia ya woman say, dia Akufo-Addo ye mahama baby ade wantumi anye bi. Mahama baby ade wantumi anye bi. Enti na papa we ka kira mahama say, enyo wadwuma no say wo betena fie na ade de bia wo be fight against the current government. Mutie no.
You must allow the new to lead with all their faults because you are the same. It doesn't mean you.
You must allow the new leadership to lead, even with their faults. The new leadership, no, we have to let them lead because even with their fault, we have to allow them because you were the same. You were the same person. On one because the same. You were the same because JM was a president, JM was a vice president, JM had the power to change anything he wanted to change about Ghana if he so chooses to. He didn't do it. Why is he fighting the current government? That is what Julius Malema is saying. You
are perfect. The young ones who are coming after you will challenge the current one. No African leader who is on retirement should lead from the grave. They must.
What? No leader. What the president here? We are holding as Gracia. To come and lead from the grave. Who did you know? And I hypocrisy in touching. Mahamana. Tamale Airport Phase 2. Mahamana. Tamale interchange. Mahamana. Railway line. Tamatum Pakadai. Mahamana Kojiska. And then answer. Upon chini nyamiye. Mahamana nyamono. Hey, I didn't say the punching in I on the video to me. Oh, to me, I didn't know yet. Oh, to me, I didn't know yet. Keep him as your friend. But don't let him spoil your fortunes. Or no, was saying the whole political ambition was saying it would be an so person or demon. If I'm going out, then I'm going out with everybody. That is his role. Into the man home quine. Now ye afafranto join this. Kennedy in Now sabe omun to time phantom to now the use as the spearhead for that.